Hey peeps, this is Gail. Well, you already know who it is. Anywho, this is Gail. I just want to take a quick moment to show you guys how to get into the challenge. I realized that I was telling everybody about the challenge and didn't show anybody how to get into the challenge, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go straight to my link in bio, which is beacons.com. I'm just going to, go straight there. Beacons AI / Desi Lush BTQ. Okay, and then maybe, but I mean, if you don't want to join, then you can just get the supply list for free. But this is my link in bio Beacons. I go to join the holiday Canva and Resin challenge. It's going to take you right to the invitation page. Join this holiday Canva and Resin craft challenge. And this is my video talking about how cool my cup is, and you have the option to join the free challenge. It's going to show you everything you're going to be learning. Well, you're going to be learning these 3 items, and then with the knowledge that you learn, you can actually be able to eventually make these items down here, okay? It's going to take you through my page, and then it tells you about me. I'm just going through it really quickly, but once you jump in, you'll be able to read it for yourself. All right, so all 3 of these buttons are going to ask for your name and your email. All right, so you're going to put your name, put your email. Excuse me. Yes, I want to join the challenge. Okay, and then it's going to show you the VIP section that's going to allow you to see days 2 through 5, and you're going to get a bunch of perks with that as well. You're going to get the supply list. I mean, free and paid is you get the supply list. But you're also going to get some pre-sized Canva designs. You're going to get 3 designs. You're going to get the tumbler, the ornament, and the Santa tray design. And it's pre-sized. You'll be able to change it, add your name to it, add pictures to it if you want to. The Q&A session is going to be on there. You're going to get the link to be able to watch the replays. All 5 days will be in the replays. Watch the replays. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway for the resin supply kit. It's going to have everything that's in the supply list. I'm giving it away to 1 lucky person in the giveaway. Less a Canva subscription. I'm not giving away a Canva subscription. You can sign up for Canva free for 14 days. I think it's 14 days. Okay. All right, and then you have the option to pay, to do a pay plan. All right. So if you want to do a pay plan, you go here. But actually, I think they all go to the same place. Okay. So if you say, yeah, you do want to do the $27 VIP experience, it's going to take you over to the product page, which is the Holiday Canva and Resin Challenge VIP. It shows you everything you would get for each day. And then hit Get My Course. You can do a pay now, pay, and pay later. Pay later is the pay in 4 option. So you fill in your information, and then it's going to send you an email with the course in it. Okay, so if you're like, nah, I don't think I want to do this, or I mean, I don't see why you wouldn't. It's just $27, and it's yours, as long as you have access to it. And if you don't have access to it, you can always reach out to me and I'll resend you your access, right? So if you're like, maybe another time, or I'll come back later to get the course, because this will be offered as a course after this week. If you're like, nah, I don't think I want to do it, and you say no, you don't want to take advantage of this offer, you'll hit that button way at the bottom. You'll still be able, well, thank you for registering. Thank you so much. You'll be able to still get the holiday Canva and resin supply list. You can join the free Facebook group, which is where I'll be hosting day 1, which is today. I'll be on Facebook and TikTok. And then you also have the option to follow on social media, which will bring you to my Beacons page where you can see all my social media handles. You can find all the freebies. Okay? So I look forward to seeing you guys later today. If you have any questions, please hit me up. Send me a message. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever. Okay? All right. Have a good day. See you later.